And I want to speak now about one country which we have such agreement. It is Kazakhstan, also country from Central Asia, and country which is extremely important today, and country which is under Russian hybrid attack already. And we need to speak about it today and to help Kazakh people today in order to prevent what had happened with Ukraine, with the Russian attack against our country, my country, Ukraine. Because today already Kazakhstan is attacked by Russia. Now in informational warfare, Russian propaganda saying every day that Kazakhstan, that is a part of Russia, especially northern Kazakhstan, that they need to protect Russian-speaking people, like they were saying it, the same words like exactly how Hitler was saying about German-speaking people. Now Putin wants to protect Russian-speaking people everywhere, but in reality he killing them. The biggest killer of Russian-speaking people in the world is Putin and Russian Federation. But they're using exactly the same wording about Kazakhstan today. And we understand that they have intentions to attack this country. Kazakhstan is now between two empires, like the whole Central Asia region. And our aim should be to help them to stand, to help them to be with the free world. Their future is with the free world. We need to help them to move to us. And I want to ask and I want to address today Kazakhstan authorities, President, Parliament, just continue cooperation with the Council of Europe, and I want to address you, join Council of Europe. Kazakhstan is a European country. Kazakhstan wants to share the same values with us, democracy, human rights, rule of law. Now there is a pin on, you can see on my suit, it's Kazakh flag together with the flag of Council of Europe. I believe future of Kazakhstan is not to be a victim of empires which are around Kazakhstan, but to be a member of Council of Europe, to join the free world, to join our community, and that we should do with other countries too. Алга, Казахстан, шановні казахські брати, ми вас ніколи не здамо. Казахстан має бути вільним і демократичним. Алга!